Just gonna give you an update. It's been a hot minute. So, as you can see up in the upper right hand corner, the old Camaro seats that were in my '78 Land Cruiser are now in a replica Willys Jeep, and they are powered and they actually work. Oh, that's funny. And then the one of the picture in the center here is the body's finally back on. They painted the bottom portion of the cab, and they're doing some filler right now on the whole body. He's knocking the dents out as best as he can with that. It's like that welding tool where he welds on it and he can slide hammer the dent out. But other than that, it's going pretty good. Hopefully, it'll be done at the end of November. Especially my '78. They don't have a sandblaster there, so they're taking, you guessed it, turpentine, acetone, steel wool, and razor blades to remove 42 years of 3 layers of paint. Yeah, that's gonna be. I don't know if when we leave here, if it's actually gonna be when we leave here, it'll be leaving with us at the same time. I kind of doubt it, but other than that, I sold the old wheels for $200 because I just wanted to get rid of them, and the new wheels that I have for them, those things are 16 inches instead of 15, which is fine, I guess. Other than that, I got a bunch of parts coming in next Monday. My wife gets back from Florida, so there's that. So other than that, there's really not much to say. It's just a hot mess of your car getting restored, to a certain point, and it just takes takes as long as it has to, I guess. Oh well, that's it for now.